List and tuple both are used in data structure type in Python. In this, difference between list and tuple also are listed with its key parameter. Like first one is its type and iteration and appropriate for different method, memory consumption methods and other terms. Like list is mutable, so list is a dynamic kind of thing. Whereas tuple is immutable, so it is a static kind of iteration. List iteration is slower and it is time consuming compared to tuple. List is useful for insertion and deletion operation. Whether tuple is useful for read-only operation like accessing element. List consume more memory compared to tuple. And in method, list provides many inbuilt methods. And tuple have less inbuilt methods. List operation more error prone compared to tuple. Now we like to see the basic example of list and tuple. This is our basic example of list and tuple, that variable name list underscore number that is created with the help of square parenthesis, and tup underscore number, it is number variable is created with a simple parenthesis. So these are declaration in the both the case. Now we just try to run this particular line, so it is done. Now we want to check what is the output of this particular variable. So it is same as we have defined. So yes, it is same. Okay, and now we can also check its character or its type. So type list underscore number, that is a list type, and type of tuple underscore numerator. So that is a tuple type. So these are some basic example in the case of list and tuple. Thank you.